Hello, this is Jack from Huha. We are introduce our 100 plus 550 extrusion lines used in Damascus, in Syria, in Middle East. As we see, this is 100 kgs caterpillar. This is 2 wells capacitance. And then we move to the powder machine. So you see inside, this is the main machine. This is feeding and a hopper. This is injection. This is active water tank. This is cement control touch screens and control whole production lines as one screen. This is our labels. It's a fixed water tank, 16 meters length. This is accumulate, 5 meters. This is blower to dry the cables. This is a damage control system. This is printing, laser printing. This is 1,250 caterpillars. This is accumulate. And here is the spark test. That side is two-way use. This is for big cables used for take-up and rolling machine. And this is for small cables for cable coiling and taping. This is our engineer, Mr. Tom. And this is our engineer, Mr. O. It's finished coiling, and then we're labeling and also coiling with PE foam. It all is automatic.